In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete backup files in Dropbox. If you're trying to free up space and remove old backup content from your Dropbox account, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to delete individual backup files or folders, how to stop and remove an entire device backup, and finally how to permanently delete those files so the storage is actually freed up. To get started, open Dropbox and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the Files section. This is where you can access the main areas of your Dropbox account and navigate to the backups connected to your devices. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Backups. In this section, you'll usually see backups for your computer, such as desktop, documents, and downloads. If you've backed up any external drives, those may appear here as well. This area is specifically designed to manage backup content, so it's the right place to go if you want to remove something safely and intentionally. Now select the backup you want to delete from. This could be listed under a device name like a PC or laptop. Click into that backup and open the backup folder so you can view the files and folders stored inside it. Take a moment here to make sure you're deleting the correct item, especially if the backup contains important personal or work files. Once you find the file or folder you want to remove, right-click it or click the three-dot menu next to it and then choose Delete. After that, confirm the deletion. This removes the selected item from the backup area, which is useful if you only want to clean up part of a backup instead of removing everything. If you want to delete an entire backup for a device, go back to the Backup section and click the device you want to manage. Then click Manage Backup and choose Stop Backup. Dropbox will then give you options for what to do with the files. You can keep the files in Dropbox or delete the files from Dropbox. Choose the option that matches what you want, then confirm your selection. This is the step to use when you no longer want Dropbox backing up that device at all. Finally, to permanently remove backup files and actually free up storage, click Deleted Files. Find the backup files you removed, then select Permanently Delete and confirm. This final step matters because until the files are permanently deleted, they may still remain recoverable and continue affecting your storage. That's how to delete backup files in Dropbox and permanently clear the space from your account.